it is natural, then there is something that you have to do to put. Hey yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Amilo. Welcome back to another episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. As you all know that this is the channel that you get every update regarding your work, your contract, your visa, the limited, unlimited contract, whatever you want to know regarding Dubai, United Arab Emirates. This channel is a better place for you to be. If you haven't looked at other videos that you have watched, just go down, scroll down and watch this video. And don't forget, subscribe, oh please, it is very, very important for us doing this video. The only thing that you can do to support us is continue liking our video. Even before watching, you have to like it. So ladies and gentlemen, today's topic I want to discuss about how to get promoted. How to get promoted when working in another company, in a company with other nationality. How can you get promotion? Really, as an African or as a Nigeria, as a Cameroonian, as Ghanaians, as a Zimbabwe, as a wherever you are in Africa, how do you normally get promotion? How can you push yourself to promotion? Listen, the way other nationalities get their promotion cannot be the way you get your promotion. This is reality. I'm telling you the truth. For them, they feel like they don't promote because you are hardworking or you are dedicated. They promote because they actually believe in brotherhood. That is one thing I love them for. They believe in brotherhood, but even if it's wrong, they still believe in brotherhood. It is normal. You understand? You cannot work in a company that is full of one nationalities and maybe you are the only one and you think that they are going to just put you at the top. No. First of all, they feel like putting their brother first before you. You have to come last. They put their brother first. So what I'm discussing is to let you know that it is natural. Then there is something that you have to do to put yourself to that position that you need, or that you are working towards, or that you are working hard for. How do you do that? Now, maybe you are working in the company for maybe 1 year plus now, and you'll be surprised that somebody that just came in 1 month ago, they will just put them on a position. It has happened to me, When my first company, when I was an ordinary labor, there's other nationalities that come in after I was employed, maybe 3 months. I senior them with 6 months in the company, but trust me, when they came within 1 month, they became an operator. And we, the Africans, we are just on the labor side. Now, what you have to do is to push forward. Do not sit down the way they're set, because most of them relax, know that the promotion is coming. But we cannot relax and wait for the promotion to come. Promotion cannot come. You have to go after promotion. Now, I will tell you how to go after promotion. Now, the promotion that I'm talking about is building yourself. If a company is going to promote you, they have to look at this guy. If he finished this contract, does he have any other qualification to apply for another work? If they see anything that you are good at, that you are professional at, or you have any certificate at hand, they might want to retain you. And the retaining you that they are going to do is to put you on the next promotion. So promotion comes with a very hard working and also investment. Now, for example, if other people were promoted before you, relax, do your job, and also try to do something that will also earn you money outside your company. UAE is a business area. Everything about UAE is business. You have to understand that. So if you're a business-minded person, if anything you touch can be money. Understand? So you just have to use that. And when they see that this guy is I think he's doing something outside this work, it's not this work that is giving him money, then they will start to think about how to retain you in the company. Because if they have seen your value, if you are not the one that is always fighting, you are not the one always quarreling, you are not always attacking the manager or attacking the supervisor or doing all those things, if you are the person that really knows that you are doing your good job, you are doing work, they will find a way to retain you. And the only way to retain you is giving you promotion. The only way to retain you is giving you promotion. Note that down. So if you want to be promoted in the United Arab Emirates, I will advise you to keep working hard. You keep working hard and also building your career. If you want to know how to build your career, go down to my channel. You will see where I discuss how to build your career in UAE. There are a lot of things that you have to do to build your career in UAE. If a company saw that you have a driving license and they want you to drive for them, if they know that your contract is coming to expire and you are maybe you got the license maybe without being a driver, they might promote you to driver once they know that maybe you are planning to leave. So one thing you have to do is to build your career. That is the best thing that you can do if you want to. So ladies and gentlemen, if you really want to be promoted in this UAE, you have to promote yourself. And the only way to promote yourself is building yourself, building your career. Like I said before, if you want to know how to build your career, go to my YouTube channel. Everything that you need to build, how to build your career is there. Everything is there. The courses that you need to do, all of them is there. Ladies and gentlemen, for you to be promoted, you have to promote yourself. And the only way to promote yourself is building your career. So ladies and gentlemen, as you are working, as you are in your company right now, I want you to be thinking about what course are you going to do to build your career. If you cannot build your career, you will remain an ordinary labor forever in this country. You have to build your career. Your educational qualification does not count. Bro, they are talking about UAE experience. So start from now and be building your career little by little. Within from now till before your contract expire, you have more experience than you have now. So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chris Amelo. Please like my video, share my video, comment, share to those that need this information, share to them, because I am trying my best. So ladies and gentlemen, comment your, if you have a similar, if you have any idea concerning, if you have any opinion concerning what I just discussed about, if you know the kind of course that people can do to upgrade their career, if you have a story to share, drop it at the comment section. I might discuss about it in my next video. My name is Chris Amelo. This is Life in Dubai. This channel will bring you everything that has to do with United Arab Emirates, with its jobs, both fake agency, security work and other things. Be careful. Every security work that you see now, most of them is not real. So be very, very careful. Most job now is fake. There's jobs, there's real jobs, but most advertising job right now, most of them are fake. So be very, very careful. My name is Chris Amelo and this is Life in Dubai. Hey, yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Amelo. Thank you for watching that particular episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Don't forget, in every post in my channel, I normally post job vacancies at my description box. So if you want to apply for work or you are looking for job, you can quickly go to my description box and apply direct from the company. No agent fee. There is nothing connected to agency. It is a direct application from the website to the company. So make your CV. Try to make your CV look good and nice, and also don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and encourage me to do more. My name is Chris Amelo and this is Life in Dubai. Thank you and God bless. Thank you.